Hello students, in last video we studied about the electric potential due to a point charge, and the expression for this is q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. In this video we will study about electric potential due to an electric dipole. Here what is mean by electric potential? Electric potential means V is equal to V is q upon r, means charge is moving from reference point to specific point is called as the electric potential, and its symbol is V and its SI unit is volt. Then here we calculate electric potential due to an electric dipole. Consider here electric dipole AB having charge plus q at point A and minus q at point B. Distance between these two charges is 2L. Distance between these two charges is 2L, means the total length of this electric dipole is equal to 2L. Consider here the dipole moment which is directed from minus q to plus q, where what is the definition of dipole moment? Then dipole moment is equal to the symbol for dipole moment is P and equal to the q into TL, means the product of the charge and distance between two charges which is its 2L. Then the next is the axis. What is the definition for axis? The line joining the center of the two charges is called dipole axis, means the line joining the center of the two charges is called as axis. And equator is the definition of equator is a straight line drawn perpendicular to the axis, means straight line which is perpendicular to the axis and passing through the center O is called as equator of dipole. Then here consider a point C. This is the point C which is situated at a distance of r from the center of this dipole O. Consider here r1 and r2 be the distances of point C from charge q1 to charge q2, from charge q plus q to charge minus q. So the electric potential at C due to charge plus q, means here to find potential at C due to charge plus q at point A, then here the electric potential due to charge plus q1, means the formula for electric potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r1. Here we find the potential at C due to charge minus q at B point is, means here the potential at C due to the charge minus q at point B is. Then again by using equation of electric potential, here is the equation of electric potential 4 pi epsilon 0, but here charge is minus q and distance is r2. Then here to calculate the potential at C, then potential at C is equal to V suffix C, means electric potential at point C is equal to V1 plus V2. Then next is here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 and Q which is also constant, means same value, then take outside, and here is 1 upon r1, minus sign is because of this minus sign, 1 upon r2, means this equation can be written as q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is the equation 2. Then next here by using concept of geometry, by using concept of geometry here consider this triangle AOC. Consider this triangle, then formula for 1 square is equal to r1 square, then second is r square, and third L square. And whenever we take the perpendicular from A and this point is inside the triangle, so this is subtracted and length of this is L cos theta, then 2 RL cos theta. Then next is, then consider this triangle COB, which is the extra part. So here r2 square is equal to r square L square plus 2 RL cos theta. Here r1 square is equal to, then r1 square is equal to here r square, which is divide each term by r square, then which is take common r square plus L square r square minus 2 RL cos theta upon r square. This is the equation r1. Then next equation r2 is equal to r square plus then rearranging this equation, r square is equal to 1 plus L square r square minus 2 RL cos theta upon r square. Then again next, by similarly the equation of r2 is r2 square, here r square taking common, then r square upon r square plus L square upon r square plus 2 RL cos theta upon r square. Here also r square get cancel, 1 plus L square r square plus 2 RL cos theta upon r square. Here we know that the r, distance of r, means here this distance r is greater than this L, means r is very greater than L. So the term L square r square is very small, because L square is greater, L is greater, L square also greater, so L square r square is very small. So this term can be neglected. So then the equation can be written. Then the first equation, r1 square is equal to r square 1 minus 2, here 1 and 1 r get cancelled, L upon r cos theta. Then again the equation of r2 square is equal to r square, here 1 plus this term is neglected, here 2 1 r get cancelled, then L upon r cos theta. Then here we require r1, so here we take the square root, then r1 is equal to, here also taking square root, then r square also r 1 minus 2 L upon r cos theta raised to half, because here we taking square root. Then again similarly the equation of r2 is equal to r 1 plus 2 RL cos theta raised to half. Here we require 1 upon r. So divide means take reciprocals of 1 upon r1 is equal to 1 upon r, means here 1 minus 2 L upon r cos theta, here means here is minus half. Then next similarly this equation r2 1 upon r2 is equal to 1 upon r1 1 plus 2 LR cos theta raised to minus half. Then substitute this value in equation 1. Then equation 1 is, here is the equation 1. Substitute this value, then total of electric potential at point C is Q upon 4 pi epsilon. Then here is the value of 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Then substitute the value of 1 upon r1 value, here 1 upon r in 1 minus 2 L upon R cos theta raised to minus half. In next minus of 1 upon R 1 plus 2 L upon R cos theta raised to minus half in bracket. Then here q upon 4 pi epsilon 0, here is the 1 upon r, 1 minus, here we take the formula 1 plus x raised to n is equal to 1 plus nx, means higher order can be neglected. So this can be written in the form, this equation can be written 1 upon 2 means s to minus 2 is multiplied by minus 2 L upon R cos theta, then again this equation 1 upon R 1 plus 2 into minus half L R cos theta. Here 2 get cancelled. Then next equation is VC equation is q upon 4 pi epsilon, where 1 upon r and 1 upon r which is take outside because these are the common terms. So uncommon term is in bracket. Then remaining term is 1 minus L upon r cos theta in one bracket, and another bracket is 1 plus these two get cancelled, and here is the minus sign, here is the because of this minus sign, then L upon R cos theta. Then here q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon R, then 1 minus L upon R cos theta minus 1 plus L upon R cos theta in bracket. 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Here is minus, here is sign plus, here is plus. So the equation is q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R, remaining term plus means 2L cos theta upon R. We know that the dipole moment is q into 2L, which is the value of P. Substituting this value is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 here P cos theta upon R square. This is the electric potential at point C. Then this equation can be written in another form. If we take then another form, then Vc is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, then P bar R bar upon R cube, where R cap is the R bar upon R, means R bar is equal to R cap into R. Means here if we place then R cap, then we get this equation. Then this equation can be written in another form 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. If we take the R bar value, then here P into R cap and 1 R get cancelled, mean R square, where R cap is the unit vector which is direction unit vector which is directed to the position here. Then this is the another form of the value of the electric potential. Then the next is here we consider the case 1. If the electric potential lies on the axial point. Electric potential lies on the axial points, means theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 180, means cos 0 or cos 180 is equal to 1, means this equation is Vc is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon P upon R square. And in case second, if the electric potential is on equatorial equatorial point means theta is equal to 90. If cos 90 is equal to 0, so Vc is equal to 0. So means the electric potential is maximum at axial points and minimum at equatorial point. Means in this today we study about the electric potential due to an electric dipole. In next video we see we will study about the electrostatic potential due to a system of charges. Thank you.